Hello everyone and welcome to the sixth session of tips and tricks. Again we'll discuss one interesting shortcut here. Now let's say there is a rectangle and in this rectangle if I draw all the possible diagonals, like there are two diagonals, so you can see that this rectangle is divided into four regions here. Now similarly if I draw a pentagon and I draw the diagonals in such a way such that no three diagonals are concurrent. So the three diagonals should not intersect at any particular point. So how many regions I'll get? Let's see it here. I'm drawing the diagonal from all the possible points. So these are all the points here. So if I start writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and 11. So there are total of 11 regions are there. Similarly, if I say that there is a hexagon, and in this hexagon, if you draw the diagonals such that no three diagonals are concurrent, okay, they are not meeting at a point, then how many regions will be there? Let's see here. So I'm drawing all the possible diagonals from all the points. Okay, so I've drawn all the diagonals here from all the possible points here. Now, if I start counting the regions, now remember in the middle, this is 1. Okay, then I can say this is region 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. All right, then I can say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, 19, and then I can say this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So in all, there are 25 reasons. So similarly, if I ask you, okay, what if there is a heptagon or maybe octagon or nonagon or decagon? It can be any polygon here. So in general, the formula is this one here. So the number of reasons which the diagonals of a convex polygon of sides n divides its center if no three are concurrent is given by n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n square minus 3n plus 12 upon 24. So for example, if I say, let's say n is equal to nothing but that is 6, we have seen for the hexagon. So my answer will be 1 by 24 into 6 minus 1, which is 5, into 6 minus 2, which is 4, into 6 square minus 6 square minus 3 into 6 and plus 12. So if you simplify this, what will I get here? That is equal to 5 into 4 plus 18 minus 36. 6 square is 36 minus 18. That is 18 plus 12. That is 30. So this is 5 into 4 into 30 upon 24. And you can see here 4 into 6 times here and 6 5s are 30. So I'm getting 25. So that's a important one. You can also use the formula that is NC4 plus N minus 1C2. Both of them will give you the same value. So it depends upon you how you want to memorize this. So that's it for today. So if you want to keep yourself updated with such type of the shortcut, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also join our Facebook group as well as the Telegram group, the details of which is given in the description of this video. Thank you.